Good morning, class 5. In today's lesson, we will be studying the second objective of the third chapter. Okay? Our objective today is students will be able to solve subtraction word problems. Okay? Pichli class mein we did addition word problems. So in this class, we will be studying subtraction word problems. Before we begin, there is a do now on the board. Right? The do now has vertical and horizontal subtraction. Okay, now remember what does vertical means? Vertical means khada hua, seedha or straight. Okay, and horizontal means lying down. इस तरफ से. So when you say a vertical sum, vertical ऐसे करके दिया हुआ है. Here you have to subtract. Now remember in subtraction you have to use borrowing also, right? If the number on top, अगर ऊपर वाला number छोटा है तो आपको अपने नेबर से एक नंबर बोरो करना है. सो नाउ हियर वी सी दैट यू हैव 3 and 5 here. 3 is smaller than 5, hence you will have to borrow from 8. So 8 will become 7 and this will become 13. Okay, then you will do 13 minus 5, 7 and like this. You will do this subtraction by yourself. In the same way we will do the horizontal subtraction. In horizontal subtraction आपको पहले इसको ऐसे करके लिखना है. Right, so you will write this as 2300. Then this number you will start from the ones place. 1. Right. Now you will subtract. Now here also in subtraction, please keep in mind that there is a 0 here. Right. Now 0 is smaller than 5. Now he needs to borrow from this 0. लेकिन इस 0 के पास भी कुछ नहीं है. Right. So what will he do? He will first borrow from 3. So 3 will become 2. This will become 10. अभी इसके पास 10 है. Now he can give to this person. So he will give 1 here and this will become 9. And after this you can do the full subtraction. Okay. Now we will move on to knowing the clue words for subtraction. जैसे हमने addition के clue words पढ़े थे, we will learn the clue words for subtraction. Okay. Now in the same way that we had keywords for addition, we have keywords for subtraction, which are like clue words, right? So if your story problem has take away, decrease, remain, exceed, left, or how many more, then these are some clues that tell you कि story में हमें subtraction करना है. Okay, so these are some of the keywords. It is easy if you write the keywords on the side of your notebook. So whenever you find them, you will know that hey, in this sum I have to do a subtraction. So now let's look at some examples. Okay, so let's begin with a question. So Shehnaz Didi has 10 pencils. She gives 5 pencils to her brother. How many pencils is she left with? Okay, this is a very simple question. Okay, but we will also see in terms of pencils. So, Shehnaz Didi has 10 pencils, right? So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 pencils. I will give 5 to my brother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? I am keeping these for my brother here. So how many do I have left? I have 5. Right? This is very simple. So we will do it in our table form that we learned last time. Okay? So let's see. I will erase this. Now in one part of your table you have draw, where you draw the sum. Here you have key information. Then you have keyword and solution. Right? Now question में क्या लिखा था? I had 10 pencils. So I will make 10 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I gave 5 to my brother. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I gave away. I have 5 more pencils, right? So here key information was 10 pencils and 5 pencils gave away. And what was the keyword in the question? The keyword was left. Okay, the keyword from here, left, was in the question. So now you know that you have to subtract. So here 10 minus 5 is 5. That was your answer. This is how you will solve the next question that will be there. You will solve it by yourself. Okay, we will move on to the other questions. Let's look at our next story problem, which says Farhan has 9 balls. He gives 5 balls to Ikra. By how many did his total number of balls decrease? Okay, in here also we will draw the table. Here we'll have key information, keywords, and solution. Here we'll draw. So what is the keyword here? The keyword is decrease. Okay, you see decreases in our list. So we'll write the keyword decrease. अगर decrease है मतलब हमें क्या करना है? We have to subtract, right? What is the key information that is given? That Farhan had 9 balls and he gave 5 balls to Ikra, right? And this we can draw very easily. We have 9 balls. We will give away 5 balls to Ikra. We are left with 5, right? This we will do simply 9 minus 5 and get the answer. This is very simple, but in case you have a large number, see I say that Farhan has 9,000 balls, okay, and he gives 500 balls to Ikra. By how many did his total number of balls decrease? Here you cannot draw 9,000 balls, right? So you will not write this part. You will only write key information, keyword and solution. यहाँ पे key information will change. Keyword is still decrease. Decrease के जगह कोई और keyword भी हो सकता है, right? And your key information is 9,000 balls and 5,000 balls. And then the solution would be, because the word is decrease, you subtract 9,000 minus 5,000. Always remember that we subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. और बड़े नंबर से हम छोटा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं हमेशा. उल्टा नहीं होता है. मतलब छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. Okay? So whenever you are doing your sums, please remember बड़े नंबर को पहले हमें रखना है, उसके बाद छोटे नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. I have a set of questions in your document which I will explain to you in a bit. You will solve all of them in the same way. Okay, if it is a small number, you will draw. If it is a big number, you do not draw. You will just write key information, keyword and solution. Okay, thank you. Okay, I hope in that part आपको समझ में आया आपको कैसे solve करने हैं sums. I will just take you through the document and the questions that you have to solve today. Please remember, today you have your math work and you have Build Maya from 11:30 to 12. Okay, 11:30 बजे Build Maya का class होगा. So all of you have to come online on WhatsApp at 11:30. Okay, so you will write the chapter name and the objective. ये vertical subtractions and horizontal subtractions आपको copy में करने हैं. Here you will write these keywords. जहाँ पे भी write and copy लिखा है, that you have to write. Okay. Now this question I solved for you on the board. So this you will do in the same way that I have showed you. You will draw 10 pencils and cut 10 pencils. This question you will do by yourself. Identify the keyword. Keyword क्या है? हमेशा आपको ये सारे keywords याद रखने कि ये subtraction के keywords है. Okay, take away, how many more, difference, decrease, remain, exceed, left. You have to always remember these. Okay, now yeah, so here also Farhan had 9 balls. He gives 5 balls to Ikra. How many did his total number? By how many did his total number of balls decrease? We tried this on the board, so you have to do the same. But here इस क्वेश्चन में जैसे नंबर्स बढ़ गए हैं, अगर नंबर्स बढ़ गए हैं तो आपको ड्रॉ नहीं करना है. ओके, लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग. Neha has 3
823 marbles and she wants 845 marbles. नेहा के पास 323 marbles है और उसको 345 marbles चाहिए. So how many more marbles does she need? यहाँ पे keyword क्या है? How many more. ठीक है? How many more or how much more is your keyword? And then, sorry, in this place it should be many instead of much. Please make that correction. And यहाँ पे जो बड़ा नंबर है उससे आपको छोटे नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Okay. All right. In the same way, you will do these two sums, and that is all for your math today. And in this page, you will read these numbers, and you will send me a voice note. Okay, ये सारे numbers आप पढ़ोगे, and then you will send me a voice note. You read on Bolo Up for 20 minutes. Read this poem. This poem is very interesting. I will read this out for you. Earth Day. Our Earth is special. There is just one. It gives us water, soil, and sun. People and animals share the land. Let's all lend a helping hand. You can save water and plant a tree. Make a better home for you and me. Recycle things. Don't throw away. Make every day an Earth Day. Thank you. Read it this way and send me a voice note or a video. Then you have your art and activity. I will send you 2 videos. Okay, एक है एक magic fan का. अगर आप magic fan नहीं बना सक रहे हो, then you can make a origami frog bookmark. Okay, I'll send you both the videos. जो आप बना सकते आप वो बनाओ. And finally we have a drawing. Learn how to draw a dog, because आज हम morning meeting में हमने सीखा what we learned about a pet. So we will try and draw a dog. Follow these steps and that will be all. Thank you so much. You will start submitting your work on the group at 12 p.m. and complete the Google form at 4 p.m. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.